Do you ever wake up in the morning feeling like your energy isn't what it used to be? Or maybe you've noticed that a part of your body you once felt proud and confident about now feels weaker, slower, or less responsive? If yes, then you'll want to watch this video not once, but twice. Because today, you're about to learn how one single change, yes, just one, can transform your performance, confidence, and vitality back to how you felt at 18. And that one change is drinking water the right way. You may ask, can something as simple as drinking water really make that much difference? Well, yes, it absolutely can. When your body lacks water, the first thing that gets affected is blood circulation. And for men, especially older men, healthy, intimate function fully depends on proper blood flow. A medical study shows that dehydration can reduce blood flow to the male reproductive area by up to 25%. Think about the impact that has. Now imagine giving your body the right amount of water at the right time every day. Imagine how your body, and your intimate health, would respond. In this video, you'll learn the 5 common mistakes men make with water intake, the correct method to drink water for better vitality, the science behind hydration and male health. And at the end, I'll give you a 30-day plan that seniors across the US have used to feel younger, more energetic, and more confident. But before that, let me take a moment to thank everyone watching from Mumbai. Your support, your comments, and your encouragement truly mean a lot. If you want a shout out from your city in the next video, be sure to subscribe and comment with where you're watching from. Now let's get into it. Why hydration is crucial for the aging male body. Most people think water is just to quench thirst, but for your body, especially for men over 50, water is the backbone of blood circulation, hormone function, nerve responsiveness, skin elasticity, and intimate performance. About 60% of the human body is water, and even a slight decrease impacts the areas where blood flow is needed the most. Let's talk honestly. A strong, intimate response isn't magic. It is purely dependent on blood flow. When you're hydrated, your blood is thinner. It moves smoothly. Circulation stays strong. But when you're dehydrated, blood becomes thicker, flow slows down, performance drops. A study in the Journal of Sexual Medicine shows that men with better hydration maintain stronger and more consistent intimate function. And then there's testosterone. When you're dehydrated, your stress hormone cortisol rises, and cortisol suppresses testosterone. Studies show dehydration can reduce testosterone by 10 to 15%, which is enough to affect mood, energy, and performance. Hydration also impacts nerve sensitivity. The nerve endings responsible for stimulation need electrolytes and fluid. Low hydration equals reduced sensitivity. Even the skin in the male intimate area becomes dry, less elastic, less responsive. And as a result, desire drops, energy drops, confidence drops. You begin to assume it's aging, but the truth is, your body is simply asking for water. 5 dangerous water mistakes. Men make 1. Drinking only when you feel thirsty. Thirst is already a sign of dehydration. Seniors who rely on thirst often drink far too little. 2. Drinking too much water at once. Many older adults forget to drink during the day and then chug a whole bottle. Most of it gets flushed out. The body can't use it efficiently. 3. Drinking water at the wrong times. Too much water during meals affects digestion. Too much water before sleep disturbs nighttime rest. Poor sleep equals lower hormone production. 4. Ignoring water quality. For seniors, contaminated water can be especially dangerous. Filtered or mineral water is ideal. 5. Not building a daily water habit. Water must be a routine, like eating or taking medication. The correct way to drink water, scientifically backed. Your body needs 2.5 to 3 liters per day, depending on activity, climate, and age. Morning, most important. After 7 to 8 hours without fluids, your body is dehydrated. Drink 500 milliliters of warm water immediately after waking. This boosts circulation, digestion, and energy throughout the day. Drink 1 glass every 2 to 3 hours. This keeps hydration stable and prevents fatigue. During exercise, seniors must drink 300 to 500 milliliters before. Small sips during 300 to 500 milliliters after exercise. Add electrolytes if sweating heavily. At night. Avoid heavy drinking before bedtime. Sip lightly 1 hour before sleep. During meals. Avoid drinking large amounts. Drink 20 to 30 minutes before and 30 minutes after meals. Water temperature room. Temperature or warm water is best for older adults. Real-life results. From men who followed this plan. Vikas, 45. Office job, low energy, weak morning erections, low confidence. After following proper hydration for 3 weeks, stronger morning response, better mood, improved intimacy, greater confidence. Rahul, 38. Sits all day, drinks coffee, but no water. After 2 weeks, better focus, no burning urination, improved intimate response, renewed sensitivity, scientific data. 70% men experienced stronger erections after 30 days of proper hydration. Testosterone increased up to 12% in hydration-focused groups. Timeline of benefits. Week 1. Clearer urine, reduced fatigue. Week 2. Stronger morning response, more energy. Week 3 to 4. Better desire, better performance, glowing skin. 30 days. Renewed vitality and confidence. 30-day hydration plan for seniors. Days 1 to 3. Awareness phase. Keep 500 milliliters water by your bedside. Drink within 5 minutes of waking. Drink 1 glass every 2 hours. Keep a bottle in all key places. Days 4 to 10. Discipline phase. Morning. 500 milliliters. 2 glasses between breakfast and lunch. 3 glasses until evening. Water before, after meals. Water before and after activity. Stand and drink a glass every 90 minutes. If sedentary days, 11 to 30. Lifestyle phase. Water becomes a habit. Mark your bottle. Weekly. Self-check. Energy, skin, morning vitality, mood. Helpful tips. Add lemon, mint, or cucumber. Avoid ice-cold water. Hydrate more in hot weather. Reduce evening intake, but sip before bed. Long-term benefits for older men. Better hormone balance, lower cortisol and stress. Healthy testosterone levels. Younger-looking skin, stronger immunity, better bladder and kidney function. Better intimacy and relationship satisfaction. Higher self-confidence. When hydration becomes a lifestyle, age stops being a limitation. Final message. Just one habit, drinking water correctly, can transform your energy, mood, hormone health, confidence, intimate performance, overall longevity. Start today. Drink your morning water. Drink every 2 hours. Stay consistent. And if this information helped you, subscribe for more science-backed and comment below where you're watching from. Your city may get a shout out in the next video. Your body can feel young again. All it needs is the right care.